What is going on, guys? It's me, Troll. Today, I got something special for you guys. A lot of people in the chat have been asking me, Troll, how do I start streaming? And, like, how did you start? And honestly, it took me a long time to figure everything out. So instead of you guys having to research things and trying to figure things out on your own, I'm going to post different videos in this series I'm going to call How to Start Streaming. And I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks and how to get your own stream going. And not a lot of people have videos out there showing people and giving back. They kind of want to hide things away for themselves. So I'm going to give back to you guys and show you guys how to start streaming. Because in this game of life, I want us all to win. So we're going to get started. The first video, how to start streaming. Let's get into it. All right. First things first, you're going to go on to our good old pal Google here. And you're going to search up Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs, one word, space OBS. Okay, when you do, you're going to click on this one. It says the best free live streaming software on Windows. Okay, we're going to go and download this program. This is the one that is going to set you up for your live streams. So click on it, download it up. All right, once you download it, you're going to get this. This is Streamlabs right here. Okay, you'll see all I have is a display capture to show you guys what's going on right now. All right, we're going to come here, click the cogwheel on the bottom left, and you're going to click Login once that pops up. Okay? Now, this is all the same for Twitch, for YouTube, and for Facebook Gaming. We're going Twitch today. So you're going to click on Twitch. This is going to pop up, log into Twitch. Okay? You can log in or sign up. If you haven't signed up, all you got to do is sign in through that. Once it's all done, you'll be good to go. I'm going to log in. We're going to go one day with. Okay, we're going to click login. All right, you're going to pop up. Twitch, Streamlabs wants to access your account. You're going to authorize it. So what we're going to do is, first off, okay, when you first get started in here, there's going to be nothing here. Okay, you're just going to have your scene. All right, so this is going to be the start of our live scene. We're going to come over here to scene. All right, and we're going to rename it our live scene. Okay, this is the basic thing you need to start streaming today. Okay, so our scene is titled live scene. We can add more scenes later down the line, which I'm going to show you guys how to do. All right, like I said, I have two things here so you guys can see my video capture device, which is my webcam. I'll show you guys how to go through that. And display capture is how I'm capturing my OBS right now. Now, here, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. Imagine these two aren't here. All right. I'm going to show you how to add your webcam in. All right. You're going to click the plus sign here. Okay. It's add a new source to your scene, includes widgets. Okay. So you got images, browser source, image slideshow, display, game capture, audio, OpenVR, color source, media source, text, window capture, video capture, audio capture. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want to add a webcam. So you click on video capture. It'll say display video from webcams, capture cards, and other devices. We're going to add source. Okay. Once you do, you can see, all right, I have my video capture device here. All right. Now, if you want to add a new source, okay, that has never been added, you're going to click this. Okay. And then you can name it whatever you want. So we can call it, let's say webcam 1. All right. And you click add source. Now, if you have different cameras set up, you can go through different things. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna add my camera. Okay, so this is me, right? All right, this is before all the editing with the green screen and everything. Like you can see, my other camera shuts off because I obviously can't run the two like that because it's two different names. Okay, so you can do all kinds of things with this. All right, grab it, shorten it down. All right, put it wherever you want on your screen. Okay. Put it wherever. If you guys don't have a green screen, you'll just have your regular background. I'm going to show a video of how you get rid of that green screen and you have nothing around you like on here in later videos. Okay, one cool thing with this, all right, you can move your webcam wherever. Put it in front of myself right here. All right. Anywhere you want in your game. Okay, so you're not blocking your stuff in game. Another cool thing, if you hold down Alt, okay, hold down the Alt key, ALT, and when you drag, it'll actually take away whatever you want as you're holding Alt. Okay, I can even come down here like this. So if there's anything in your background you don't want shown, you can just change it. Again, to change it back, just hold in Alt, drag it back out, drag it back up, etc. Okay. So we're going to drag this in here. All right. So we got our webcam set up for to play games, right? Now we need our game, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus to add a source. All right. We're going to come down here to game capture. We're going to click on it, add source. All right. We'll call this, you could add whatever game. So we'll call this one Fortnite. Fortnite. Okay, any game you want. We're going to add that source. All right. We're going to capture auto. Okay, so what it's going to do, it's going to automatically find it. Click done. All right. Now you'll see, it'll say looking for a game to capture. Now, here's the thing. Okay, if you come down here, this is just like Photoshop, where you have layers upon layers. Okay. So, my webcam is over top of my video capture device. Now, if I bring Fortnite up over my capture device, okay, now you can see it has my game capture, and then my webcam is over top of it. Okay, you can't see my OBS at all because it's under my video capture. If I drop it back down below, okay, my display capture. All right, that goes away because display capture is taken up over top of it. It's layered over top of it. So here's the Fortnite. Here's display capture. Now, when you switch it up, okay, over top, you see your game. All right, so we need a game to capture. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Fortnite. All right, Fortnite's loading up now. Okay, like again, all right, you click on your you can click on your webcam up here and you can move it around wherever you want. That's the old me, my old webcam that I had on there. Okay. So anywhere you want on your screen. All right, I'm going to show you guys. So we're going to let me move Fortnite real quick. No, I'm going to shrink Fortnite down. With anything on here, you can shrink it down. Okay, so we're going to put Fortnite in here just like it is. This is what you're going to see. Launch failed. All right, because I already have Fortnite up. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. Okay, on your OBS. That's what you're going to see. Let me click this guy out of here. Get out of here. Again, over here, guys, there's going to be eyeballs. You can make things disappear at a split second just by clicking it. Okay, I make Fortnite disappear by closing the eye. Click it again, it comes right back up. So this basically we're going to see on your OBS. All right. Okay, now we have our game capture and our webcam set up. Okay, so now we want to get ready to go live, right? For our first time. Down here, it's going to say go live. You're going to click on that. Click go live. You're going to put the title of your video. Say, first stream. Whatever game. You type whatever game. Let's say Fortnite. Click on it. Tag whatever you want. Okay, whatever it has to do. You know, gaming. Like, there's all kinds of different things you can go on. Hip hop. You could do music. All kinds of stuff. Not even just games. Okay. You can type it in too. Just type in gaming news, gaming, game, streaming, co-stream, all kinds of stuff. Okay. I'm just going to click on this first one. You're going to click confirm and go live. Okay. You can literally pick all different kinds of topics through Twitch. You can even go anime. Just say it's anime. All right. You're going to click confirm and go live. And we're live. We're live on Twitch right now. It's that easy, guys. I'm going to show on the next video how you go live through Facebook Gaming. Okay? I'm going to have all kinds of other stuff lined up with this video series also. So let's get it. Let's do it. Guys, make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe if you're trying to learn some more tips, tricks, how to start streaming, how to add all kinds of custom fun things. I'm going to have all kinds of stuff going on. So until next time, I am the Troll Hunter JC. Positive vibes only.